Well, hello YouTube, this is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video. This is going to be a really special unboxing. We have this special, I think this is a mail-in from the 2018 collector editions. This is the Custom GMC Panel van, also known as the A-Team van. This was a gift from my friend over at Timmy's10Again Toys. This is a really awesome ride, and he actually gave me a second one to open up, and this is the one that I'm keeping in the package. Completely mint card from 2018 collector editions, and I actually got a second one from him. So thank you, Timmy. Really appreciate it. This is really an awesome addition to the collection. 2018 Hot Wheels with the Spectreflame paint on the special card. 50th anniversary. And look at that card art. Definitely a card I'm going to save. I'm going to be really gentle when I open this. Hottest metal cars in the world. Old Hot Wheels logo. There's the back of the card there. And you can look at that if you would like. This is a 2017 copyright. Made in Malaysia. And this is a super awesome ride. And this one has a little bit worse of a card. A little bit of a dent there. Nothing spectacular at all. Maybe a couple little specks on the card. But that's literally about it. I love the checkered line there. But this is the one that we're going to be opening up today. So guys, here's the moment of truth. Without further ado, we're going to be cracking this thing open. You ready? Oh yeah, look at that. Coming out nicely. Oh wow. Holy cow, this thing is really heavy. If I wanted to, I could put that back and seal it back up. I mean, have to be really good at re-gluing it, but look at that. Really clean. I'm going to be leaving it like that. This is a super awesome ride with the Spectreflame paint. That is awesome. Wow. That looks really good. Here's a nice look at it. With, I love those wheels. Chrome line, or chrome redline. Real Rider 5 spokes, rubber tires, metal on metal, custom GMC panel van. And good spinning wheels. These wheels spin, well, not really like freely, really tight spinning axles, but they spin really good. Feels very well put together. Super heavy casting. What if I waited after? But yeah, I might wait after. Look at the brush guard in the front. I love that. Whenever I get a bigger vehicle, I'm gonna add a brush guard in the front just because it looks so good. GMC right through there. Spectreflame red. Look at that right there. Nice little roof designs on the top. This also has some kind of rack or spoiler in the back. There's a number 4 there with a Hot Wheels logo and black and blue, kind of a flame on the side. That's really nice. I love the wheels on this. The wheels are probably my favorite part. All of that is metal. There's the Hot Wheels logo and number 4 in the back as well. Super beautiful color. Not as vibrant as the Batmobile Super Treasure Hunt, but it's still really vibrant. Nice color on this. And I think this is a black interior. Definitely smoke-tinted windows, the lights on the top there. This is such a nice model by Hot Wheels. This is going to be... I'm going to put this on my Plano case for display. One of my new favorite pieces in the collection. 2011 casting copyright, made in Malaysia, gloss black, metal base. Play well? Yeah, this looks great. And now I'm going to have a loose one and a carded one. Thank you so much for these, Timmy, from Timmy's10Again Toys. Go subscribe to his channel. He opens Hot Wheels cars just like me, and he has a lot more subscribers, and he's working on the watch hour, so please go watch his videos. Check him out, definitely. And without further ado, we're going to wrap this video up. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.